Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, and this is update number 21 of the Wealthsimple TFSA Trade Portfolio. We have been going since April. We started this journey on April 1st. We are now almost done 5 months of our trades on Wealthsimple TFSA. And this is update 21. Thanks so much for everybody that has following along. This channel has been growing week by week. It's nice to see the comments that are coming in and the questions. I am not a financial planner, but I'll do my best to answer some questions. We've also had some great kind of tips and other stocks to look at, which I'm kind of just checking out, but we have, for the most part, kept our portfolio basically the same for the first 5 months. We will be doing another deposit come September. We're doing monthly deposits on the channel, and as we get the dividends added to the portfolio from the different stocks that we're invested in, we're reinvesting all of those as well. So let's just jump right in. We're using the Wealthsimple TFSA Trade app. This one seems to work, I find works the best for doing these trades and for these updates. So what we will do, I'm filming this on a Monday, so actually it is live right now. So you may see the values kind of fluctuate a little bit, but we'll give you a good idea and we'll show you where we're at after 5 months of almost 5 months of investing. So currently, right now, our portfolio value is $3,600.87. Not too bad. We have been down the last little while. If you watch my last video, there is been a bit of a decline in some of the stocks that I've purchased on mine. It always seems to be the way, but this is a long-term investment, so we aren't panicking. We're just holding our ground. We're going to keep doing our small investments as we go, trying to build this to $100,000 is the goal. So we'll start off here. We are down today 16.25 right now, but we'll do the whole update at the end. We'll just show you where we are now. The stock that has been actually doing quite well lately is BEP.UN. This is Brookfield Renewables Partners. We're up today, but in general, we're actually up 9.25%. So that's quite good on that one. We have right now just 5 shares of that. Second one is CGX. This is Cineplex. This one is up and down. I think long term, hopefully everything should go up, but we're definitely seeing some ups and downs on this just with the current situation out there. But we do have 25 shares. I have averaged down the cost a little bit on this one because I saw it come down, so I had some extra funds that I put in. We are up to 25 shares on this right now. We still are up a little bit, 1.38%, so that's okay. We're gonna hang on to this one. CMC, this is Cielo Waste Solutions. This is the renewable diesel company that I've started to invest in, and this price, of course, as soon as you buy it, price goes down. This is again a long-term hold. We have 140 shares only. It's a total value right now $158.20, but we're down 11%. This one is definitely up and down. You'll notice that if you are watching this stock. Greenlane Renewables. This one has actually been doing okay lately. We were up actually. We had a bit of a profit, and I actually thought about selling this one, but I didn't. In hindsight, probably maybe should have took the profits and kind of invested in something else. But again, it was a long-term hold. We have 237 shares. Total value right now $346.02. REI.UN, this is the RioCan Real Estate Investment Trust. This is going to give us our monthly dividends as well. I'm quite happy with this one. We've got 20 shares, and again, we are up 9.46%, so that is pretty good. Quite happy with this one. We'll keep adding to this in the portfolio as we go. RNW, this is TransAlta Renewables, and it has been up and down. We've been kind of hovering around the $20 mark for a while now. We were up to about $22, but this is again a long-term hold. We're going to get our regular monthly dividends on this, hopefully get a bit of growth as well. And Solar Alliance Energy, again, a long-term hold. We seem to be the portfolio. I seem to be quite optimistic on some of these renewable stocks. So we have a small position in this one. Again, 300 shares. That's only trading at 22 cents. We're not invested a lot in this by any means. It's kind of more of a let's see what happens kind of thing. So total value $66. We are down 21%, just $18.22. We're not putting all of our money in this stock. Definitely not. SOT.UN, this is our Slate, this is our office real estate investment trust. This one is doing quite well as well. It always kind of hovers around the 535, 540 mark, and happy with that because we are up just a little bit, 1.6, but we are going to get our regular dividends monthly from this one as well, and we're going to keep adding to this position right now, just 30 shares. We'll be adding that. I think I'll have enough. It's kind of a nice priced one that what I can do when I get some dividends coming in, I can usually have enough to buy at least one share of that. And Telus. Telus has been doing quite well. The telecoms, we are up on this one as well. We're up 6.17%. We should have maybe put everything into Telus, but just 9 shares of that. Total value right now, 263.25. TD, this was our fractional share. If you've watched if you watched past video on the channel, you know that Wealthsimple does fractional shares. You can purchase, I think there's about 10. There might be some more added now. I haven't really looked at that. This is the only one I've bought, TD Bank. We just own 0.2501 of a share, a fractional share. We're down a little bit, 1.1%. We will get the dividends. The dividend is based on the fraction that you own, so we will still get our dividends from that. And if you follow the news a little bit, the banks did quite well on earnings, so we should be hopefully getting some good dividends, and maybe they will be raising their dividends in the future. That's something I should probably keep an eye on. That being said, the last one on the portfolio is VDY. This has has positions in all of the big 5 banks in Canada. So this is our Canadian High Dividend Yield Index ETF. We are up 3.60%. It always kind of hovers around this price for the most part. Hasn't been any big changes on that, but we are going to get our monthly dividends on this one. This is our largest position in the portfolio. We have 30 shares and a total value of $12.15.30. So let's get in just to the all-time on this one. So we're down today. I kind of try and ignore the days, but we are up in the past week. We're up 22.79 because obviously if you watch my last video, we were all down quite a bit. So it's kind of nice to see things starting to come back up. But on the month, we are down 1.18%, $43. It's okay. We are in this for the long term. But altogether, past 3 months, 1948, 0.54%. And our 1 year return, we obviously not a year yet, but just about 5 months, we are up 2.24%, 78.92. It's nice to be in the green. We're not in the red, so I am happy with that. All time, we'll show you, it will be the same as the year. That will start to obviously reset in a year. I think we'll be doing this channel for longer than a year. I don't think I'll have $100,000 saved with by 1 year. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you have any questions, as I said before, I'm not a financial planner, but I'll do my best to answer them for you. If you are investing in the stock market and you are wanting to buy stocks with a Wealthsimple trade, obviously do your own due diligence. But if you do want to start trading on that, there's a couple of affiliate links down in the description below. If you click that on, it will give you there's a couple of things right now with Wealthsimple. You can get, if you sign up for Wealthsimple Trade, you'll get a couple free stocks. There's a new crypto one. If you sign up for the crypto, you will receive some Dogecoin if you are into that. But there also is a great one. And if you're watching this and you have Wealthsimple Trade and you haven't downloaded the Wealthsimple Cash app. Now this you will receive, if you sign up for the Cash app, you will get, through the link down below, you will get $25 added to your Cash app. It takes about a couple hours, you'll get the 25 bucks. Now what this does work actually is if you already are a Wealthsimple customer, you should be able to just download that Cash app and still get the $25. So $25 is $25. You cannot transfer the $25 from the Cash app to your trade app. You have to actually go through your bank account. But if you're wanting to get $25 to trade, sign up for the Cash app, use the link below, get it into your Cash app, transfer it to your bank account, and then over into your Wealthsimple Trade Portfolio. And you got $25 to trade. Thanks for watching, everybody. We will see you all in the next video.